morning students, welcome to our geometry class. In the previous period we have already completed problems based on the properties of square, rectangle, rhombus and parallelogram. Now in the next exercise you have to solve problem by using the properties of trapezium. So let's see how to solve the problems depends on the properties of trapezium. Now see here, what is the trapezium? What is the property of trapezium? Only one pair of side is parallel. Now here quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Quadrilateral ABCD is a trapezium. Now if ABCD is a trapezium, which sides are parallel? Side AB is parallel to side DC. Side AB is parallel to side DC. And then these angles are which type of angles? Supplementary angles or interior angles. Which type of angles? Adjacent angles and interior. These two lines are parallel, so you can take angle A plus angle D is equal to 180 and angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Which type of angles? Interior angles. Now if one of the angle is given, you have to find out the remaining angle. Now if this angle is of 120 and this angle is of 70, how will you find? Angle A plus angle D is equal to 180. So angle A plus 70 is equal to 180 means angle A is equal to 180 minus 70, that is 110. Similarly here, angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Angle B is 120. Angle C you have to find out. And therefore angle C is equal to how much? 180 minus 120. That is how much? 60 degree. In this way you have to use which property? Interior angles. Which property? Interior angles, and then if any one of the angle is given, you have to find out the remaining angle. Now see here, second property of trapezium. Here what is the first property? Only one pair of side is parallel. Now second property is quadrilateral PQRS is a trapezium. PQRS is a trapezium. Now PQRS is a trapezium and PM is perpendicular to QR and SN is perpendicular to QR. It is given. And again what is given? PQ is congruent to SR. These are which types of sides? Non-parallel sides. If non-parallel sides are given congruent, then base if, what is the property? If non-parallel sides are congruent, then base angles are congruent. Base angles are congruent. So base angle means angle Q is congruent to angle R. Now if angle Q is 72 degree, then angle R is also how much? 72 degree. What is the property? Base angles are congruent. So you have to use this property and solve the problem in exercise 5.4. So in the next period we will take exercise 5.4. Okay, thank you and have a nice day. Good morning students, welcome to our geometry class. Today we will see exercise 5.4 which depends on the properties of trapezium. What are the properties of trapezium? Only one pair of side is parallel and adjacent angles are supplementary. So let's start first problem. In the previous period we already completed exercise 5.3. Now let's start exercise 5.4. Now see the first question what is given. RJKL is a trapezium and two therefore angle L is equal to 180 minus 108, that is 72. Then second, angle J plus angle A is equal to how much? 180. Here also these are which type of angles? Interior angles. And therefore angle J plus 53 is equal to 180. And therefore angle J is equal to how much? 180 minus 53. 127. So angle J is how much? 127. In this problem, which property we use? Interior angles. Trapezium is given. You have to take the sides which are parallel and then interior angles. Now let's see the second problem. Now see here in the second problem what is given? A, B, C, D is a trapezium. Quadrilateral A, B, C, D is a trapezium. It is a trapezium and what is given? One of the angle is given and sides are given. BA, non-congruent sides, non-parallel sides are congruent. So segment BA is congruent to segment CD. That is given. Then one of the property of trapezium is if non-parallel sides are congruent, then base angles are also congruent. If non-parallel sides are congruent, then base angles are also congruent. Now here what you have to find out? Angle B and angle D. So first find out angle B. Now which type of angles? Here which lines are parallel? BC is parallel to AB. And therefore you can take angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Which type of angles? Interior angles. Interior angles. Now angle A is how much? 72. Angle B you have to find. So angle B is equal to how much? 180 minus 72. How much? 108. In this way you have to find out. Now what is the property? If non-parallel sides are congruent. If non-parallel sides are congruent, then base angles are also congruent. Base angles are congruent. And therefore angle A is equal to angle D is equal to 72 degree. Which property you have to apply? If non-parallel sides are congruent, then base angles are congruent. And therefore angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle C. Now let's start third problem. Now see here, what is the third problem? Here also trapezium is given and you have to prove that angle ABC is congruent to angle DCB. These two angles you have to show congruent. And what is given? BP is perpendicular to AD and CQ is perpendicular to AD. Now let's start the proof. Solution. What is given? BP is perpendicular to AD and CQ is also perpendicular to AD. Now here you have to take two triangles. In triangle BAP and triangle CDQ. BAP and CDQ. Now see here, it is a perpendicular distance, therefore these distances are also congruent. Now again what is given? This angle is of 90 and what is given? CD is congruent to BE. Now BA, segment BA is congruent to hypotenuse side test, these two triangles are congruent. Which triangles? Triangle BAP is congruent to triangle CDQ. If triangles are congruent, then angles are also congruent. Angle A is congruent to angle B. By which property? CAC. Now see here you have to take these two angles. These are interior angles. These are also interior angles. So you can take angle A plus angle B is equal to 180, and second angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. Now here it is first equation, it is second equation. Now right hand sides are equal, therefore left hand sides are also equal. So angle A plus angle B is equal to angle C plus angle D. But from this equation you can take angle A is equal to angle D. So put here angle D. For angle A you have to put what? Angle D. Angle C plus angle D. Now angle D will be cut. What you get? Angle B is equal to angle C. That you have to put. Therefore angle ABC is equal to angle BCB. Okay. Here which properties we apply here? You have to apply first the congruent test. Here we apply which test? Hypotenuse side test for these two triangles. You have to show first two triangles are congruent, and then use the properties of trapezium, find out the answer. Okay students, I hope you understood all these problems. Now write down all these three problems in your copy and save them. Thank you and have a nice day.